The origin of life, a scientific perspective. The question of how life originated on Earth has fascinated scientists and philosophers for centuries. While a definitive answer remains elusive, the scientific community has made significant strides in understanding the conditions and processes that may have led to the emergence of life. Early Earth and the conditions for life. Formation of Earth. Our planet is estimated to be around 4.5 billion years old. The early Earth was a very different place than it is today, characterized by intense volcanic activity, frequent asteroid impacts, and an atmosphere composed primarily of gases like methane, ammonia, and water vapor. The primordial soup hypothesis. One of the earliest and most influential ideas is the primordial soup hypothesis, proposed by Alexander Oparin and J.B.S. Haldane. This hypothesis suggests that life arose in a soup of organic molecules in Earth's early oceans. Energy from sources like lightning and ultraviolet radiation could have driven chemical reactions, leading to the formation of complex organic molecules such as amino acids and nucleotides, the building blocks of proteins and nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. The Miller-Urey experiment. In the 1950s, Stanley Miller and Harold Urey conducted a landmark experiment that provided support for the primordial soup hypothesis. They simulated the conditions of early Earth in a laboratory setting, using a mixture of gases and electrical discharges. The experiment resulted in the formation of several amino acids, demonstrating that organic molecules could indeed form abiotically under such conditions. Hydrothermal vents. Another compelling hypothesis suggests that life may have originated in deep-sea hydrothermal vents. These underwater geysers release chemicals from Earth's interior, creating environments rich in energy and nutrients. Such environments could have provided the conditions necessary for the formation of early life forms. The RNA world hypothesis. The discovery that RNA can act as both a carrier of genetic information and a catalyst for chemical reactions has led to the RNA world hypothesis. This hypothesis proposes that RNA, rather than DNA, was the primary form of genetic material in early life. Panspermia. An interesting, though less mainstream, hypothesis is that the building blocks of life, or even life itself, originated elsewhere in the universe and were transported to Earth via meteorites or comets. From simple cells to complex life. The first cells, regardless of the exact location or mechanism, the first life forms were likely very simple, single-celled organisms. These early cells would have been prokaryotes, lacking a nucleus and other complex cellular structures. Evolution and diversification. Over billions of years, life on Earth evolved and diversified through the process of natural selection. Simple cells gave rise to more complex eukaryotic cells, and eventually, multicellular organisms. This process led to the incredible diversity of life we see today, including plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms. The emergence of humans. Humans, Homo sapiens, are a relatively recent addition to the history of life on Earth, appearing only a few 100,000 years ago. Our species evolved from earlier primates, developing unique characteristics such as bipedalism, a large brain, and complex language. The origin of life on Earth is a remarkable story, a testament to the power of natural processes to create complexity and diversity. As humans, we are fortunate to be part of this story, with the capacity to reflect on our existence and to make choices about how we want to live. While there is no one-size-fits-all answer to the question of how to live life to the fullest, the philosophical perspectives and practical strategies we've explored today offer valuable guidance. By cultivating meaningful relationships, pursuing our passions, practicing gratitude, living in the present moment, and embracing challenges, we can move closer to a life that is both fulfilling and meaningful.